In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a free ebook to your email subscribers on Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will be ready to create the email that will deliver your ebook to subscribers. Make sure you are in the correct account and that your ebook file is saved on your computer before you continue. That will make the setup much faster and smoother. Next, click on Email and then choose Create Email. This will open the email creation area where you can build the message your subscribers will receive. At this stage, Constant Contact will give you template options to work with. Select a template that fits the style of your message. If you are sending a free ebook, it is usually helpful to choose a clean and simple layout so the download option is easy to notice. After selecting your template, click Customize Template. This takes you into the editor where you can adjust the content and layout of the email. Inside the editor, you will need to add a clickable element that subscribers can use to access the ebook. To do that, drag either a button block or a text block into the layout. A button works well if you want the download link to stand out clearly. A text block can also work if you prefer a more minimal look. Once the button or text block is in place, click on that element to edit it. Then select the link icon. This is the part that lets you connect the button or text to your ebook file. When the link options appear, click Document. From there, upload your document from your computer. Select the ebook file you want to send and wait for it to finish uploading completely. This is important because the link will only work properly after the document is fully uploaded. When the upload is complete, click Insert. This will attach the document to the button or text link inside your email. After that, click Continue to move forward. At this point, your email now includes a direct link to the free ebook, making it easy for subscribers to access the file. Before moving on, it is a good idea to quickly review the email layout and make sure the link is placed clearly where readers can find it without confusion. That covers everything you need to know.